Continuing on the topic of data, let's talk about how to use that to segment leads and customers. Audience segmentation is the process of dividing people into subgroups based upon specific criteria that you define, for example, age or gender. We care about segmentation in both remarketing and retargeting because we're interested in targeting specific groups with communications that feel personalized. There are lots of different types of audience segmentation. The 8 most popular I've seen used are demographic segmentation, like I hinted at before, using age, gender, income, education. Geographic segmentation, segmenting a user based on their continent, country, city, or distance from a location. Behavioral segmentation, segmenting based on behaviors like website engagement, product views, or purchase history. Levels of engagement segmentation, so this is segmenting based on how much a user interacts with your brand. For example, users who have visited your website 3 times in a week, or users who accumulate a particular lead score. Psychographic segmentation, dividing based on personality traits or interests. Media preference segmentation, so what channels the user is on and what publishers, i.e. newspapers, TV networks that they engage with. Benefit segmentation, segmenting based on the benefits the audience wants to achieve, so clustering people with similar pain points together. Buyer's journey segmentation, segmenting based on where a lead is in the customer journey, for example, the awareness, consideration, or decision stages. The list goes on, but these are the ones you're likely to need. You then use the segmentation criteria together to make an audience segment. To make an audience segment, consider what goals you have, what data you have available, and then choose the segmentation criteria which are most relevant to help you achieve your goal. By combining the segmentation criteria in different ways, you create unique audience segments. For example, let's say the most relevant segmentation criteria for me for a particular campaign are going to be segmenting a particular geography, and then on that result, segmenting based on demographic characteristics, and then maybe the media preference on top. Let's create some unique audience segments using these criteria. In one segment, I could include people based in Pittsburgh who are male and aged between 30 to 40 years old, and who read the New York Times online. While using the same segmentation criteria in a different way, I can have another audience of people based in Chicago who are 20 to 25 years old and who get their news from TikTok. That's how segmentation criteria and audience segments work together. You can even create what's called a detailed buyer persona to build an audience segment representing your ideal customer. You then use that persona to help optimize remarketing campaigns to tailor your marketing strategy, content, and creatives. Web tools like Google Analytics and CRM tools like Salesforce Marketing Cloud can help to simplify audience segmentation. So look at the particular marketing tools you have available as well. If you're overwhelmed by the choice, remember there's no one correct way to segment an audience. It starts with considering the goals of the particular campaign, understanding what data points you have available, creating a segment to test, and iterating upon that.